My name's Christophe McGlade. I'm a research associate here at the UCL Energy Institute, and I'm also lead researcher on the new phase of the UK Energy Research Centre. The UK Energy Research Centre, or UKERC, has been going for 10 years now, and in the first phase of this, in the first 5 years, it looked at how the UK can reach a decarbonised energy system by 2050. In the second phase, in the second 5 years, it looked at some of the uncertainties in this. And in the third phase, we're going to be looking at some of the trade-offs and challenges that exist under different configurations of the energy system. So UCL's contribution to this is both as part of the Energy Institute and as part of the Institute for Sustainable Resources, is looking at the role of resources and vectors within the energy system. So there's four specific things which we're going to be looking at as part of this. The first is the role of unconventional oil and gas. So with the recent emergence of shale gas and tight oil in the United States, there's been a huge number of implications for the UK, for Europe and globally. And we're going to be continuing some of the work we've been doing in this area, modelling what this means for the UK and what potential trade-offs and challenges there are for the UK going into the future. The second task we're going to be looking at is the wider macroeconomic effects of different configurations of the energy system. So this is looking at, for example, if we go for a very rapid decarbonisation, what does that mean for the competitiveness of different industries in the UK, and also what are the potential challenges that there might be for their industries in managing this transition. The third topic we're going to be looking at is the role of vectors. So this is the vector side of the task, which is vectors are things such as electricity, heat and hydrogen, and we're going to be looking at the infrastructure and technology challenges which exist, and both a spatial and temporal sense, looking out into the future. And finally, we're going to be looking at the interlinkages between water, energy, land and material, the so-called nexus. So if you use a certain amount of energy or a certain type of energy, there's going to be knock-on effects for water or for the land use. And we're going to be trying to model what this means in a global context, and then also what that specifically means for the UK.